There are two types of articles in English. Definite article, the. Indefinite articles, a and an. Use the for specific items. Use a for singular nouns starting with consonants. Use an for singular nouns starting with vowels. No articles with uncountable nouns. 1. Definite article, the. Usage. The is used to refer to a specific noun that is known to the reader or listener. Example, the book on the table is mine. Rules. Use the before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific. Example, the sun rises in the east. Use the before unique objects or things. Example, the earth revolves around the sun. Two indefinite articles, a and an. Usage. A is used before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Example, I saw a cat in the garden. An is used before singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u. Example, she is an engineer. Rules. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Example, a university is opening in our city. Use an before words that start with a vowel sound. Example, he wants an orange. Do not use a or an with uncountable nouns. Example, I need water. Not a water. 1. Definite article, the. The dog barks loudly. The book you gave me is interesting. The sun sets in the west. Please close the door. The flowers in the garden are beautiful. I watched the movie yesterday. The teacher is explaining the lesson. Do you see the stars in the sky? The internet has changed the world. The children are playing in the park. Two indefinite articles, a and an. Using a. I need a pen to write. She has a cat at home. He is a good student. There is a tree in the garden. She wants a cup of tea. I saw a movie last night. He bought a new car. We have a problem to solve. She lives in a big house. I want a job in the city. Using an. I need an umbrella for the rain. She is an artist. Can you give me an apple? He is an honest man. There is an egg in the fridge. I have an idea for the project. She is an engineer. He wants an orange. It was an exciting match. I found an interesting book at the library. Summary. Definite article, the, is used for specific items. Indefinite articles, a and an, are used for general items. 1. Definite article, the. The president gave a speech. I left my wallet on the table. The Pacific Ocean is vast. She visited the museum yesterday. The children need to finish their homework. The city is known for its nightlife. We are going to the mountains this weekend. Did you see the news today? The train arrives at 5 p.m. The flowers you sent are beautiful. Two indefinite articles, a and an. Using a. She wants a glass of water. He is reading a book about history. There is a bank near my house. I need a new phone. They have a dog and a cat. She wants to become a doctor. He gave her a beautiful necklace. We can meet at a cafe. I saw a shooting star last night. They live in a small town. Using an. She wants an internship for the summer. He has an interesting job. I need an eraser to fix this mistake. It was an unforgettable experience. She bought an expensive dress. Can I have an ice cream, please? They found an old coin in the garden. We need an expert to help us. He received an invitation to the party. She is an amazing dancer. Summary. Definite article, the, specifies particular items, while indefinite articles, a and an, refer to general items. A is used before consonant sounds and an is used before vowel sounds.